Hello, I'm Moin Patel, and welcome to my presentation on collaboration with industrial partner for database systems and web application. So, talking about the goal of our project, I, Max, and Berat aim to create a database system for a local repair store uh, located in Kokilam Center. So, just to give you a general idea, it's a repair store which sells accessories like phone cases, tempered glass, and more. And like their main business runs on repairing phones, so repair is their priority. So talking about the collaboration process, we talked to the industrial partner about his concern of storing data about customers and inventory about the store. So he was mentioning that the company would lose customers if a certain part was not in stock. So he was concerned about the inventory, like he wanted us to figure out a way to keep track of the inventory, so if a certain part is not in stock, so they can get to know about it and they can order it uh, accordingly, so that they don't lose the customers. So next is discussing about challenges and solution we face. So first of all, understanding what the industrial partner really wanted from us was very challenging, because we were really afraid, what if we didn't give him uh, something he really expected from us. So for that, we had to had a clear conversation, and we did that eventually. And secondly, uh, he was really focusing on this, and he was very concerned that like the company would also get a bad reputation when the phone is not fixed in time. So the staff gives the customer an estimated time to fix the phone, but sometimes due to technical reasons and understandable reasons, like the the phone requires more time to repair because it has more problems, so it takes more time to repair. So in that scenario, it's nobody's mistake, but the customer loses his or her time. So that makes them really unhappy, and that's why he wanted us to work on this thing. And so we came up with the solution, and we decided to go for a real-time repair tracking through URL, where the customers can track the status of their device. So the other challenges include the implementation of the project. So we had to uh, study about ER diagram, relational schema, and SQL queries, but it was doable because we were doing this parallelly with the course lectures. So that was not a big problem. The main problem was developing the web application. So for that, we decided to uh, go for Flask framework. So Flask uh, is basically a prototype used to create instances of web applications and or web applications, if you want to put it in simple words. So once we import Flask, we need to create an instance. So an instance of the Flask class for our web app. So that's just 3 lines of code. So that makes our life very easier, and we can implement web application from there. So goals achieved are: we created a successful database which was clean and consistent. We created a good web application which provided real-time repair tracking, and the customer can get a free estimate for repair from the website's contact us page. So these two things basically improves and boost customer service and satisfaction for the company. So it's really good for the company. And lastly, talking about the skills gain, we got these skills like the leadership skills, teamwork, clear communication skills, problem solving, technical skills for project implementation, conflict management, and collaborating and working well together. So this was also important for us, and organizing and planning of the project. So these are the skills we gained. And lastly, I would like to also thank our instructor Tayebi for giving us such an amazing project, and the owner of the Mobile Snap company who collaborated with us. Thank you so much.